What's up? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Hux One, today we got an awesome freebie for you all to check out. It's going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. And you know how the story goes. Download ASAP before free becomes paid. Now, the name of the watch face is called OS Special Digital Metallic. This is definitely a very nice fitness watch face, and it's definitely geared toward everyday wear, whether it be the work week and or for the weekend. But let's go ahead, let's take a look at this watch face. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look. You're going to get your digital time at a glance with no problem. But when the watch face is on is what we want to really focus on. Now, I like this watch face simply because it's different, it's unique, and it's definitely a fresh look for everyday wear. Now, what you're going to get is your digital time, kind of slanted, stacked a little bit with animated seconds, the day of the week, going to get your date. And in the octagon, you're going to get your step info, calories burned, heart rate information, battery. So it's definitely geared toward fitness, and you can tap into it. And here you can get your step status info, of course, calories burned, floors climb, how many miles you ran, sleep, water intake, coffee intake, things of that nature. And if I tap here, I can check out my step status. Here, of course, is going to be my battery info. And of course, right over here, it's going to be my heart rate information. So I thought this was definitely a good look for a free watch face. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if I'm wrong. And you can customize the colors. Now, you're going to get up to 196 different variations so far as colors are concerned, which I thought was pretty nice. So I double tap here, and I can start to change the colors of the octagon where your steps are. I thought this was definitely a good look. So you can mix and match however you see fit. Now, to change the colors, double tap closest over here to the edge, and you can change the color variations over here as well. So I thought this was definitely a good look. What did you think? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Is this a download, or if it's a leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.